Yo Internet, welcome back. What is happening? And we're here today to take a little detour from the focus on the Coyote swap, but it still very much involves the Coyote swap on our early S197. Now, the folks at Alloyworks were kind enough to provide me this radiator, and we're going to show you what I think of it and how to install one in your S197 as well. So let's get after it. Just like that, we got the radiator out. Now that we've had our radiator out for a little bit now, in order to put the new one back in, we're gonna have to transfer just a few items here. Obviously the fan shroud, and maybe let the overflow tank vent tube to hang out while we transfer it. So I'm going to go over like some of the differences in the stock one compared to the Alloyworks one. So as you can see, here's the thickness of the stock one compared to this big Johnny. So already you can see that it's going to have a lot more cooling capacity. It's going to be way more efficient than the stock one. Obviously it's all aluminum compared to our epoxy tank, aluminum cooler on the stock one, and it looks like it should have all the brackets and even the J-nuts on there to drop right into your stock application. Cruising along, got the shroud in there, and one thing about the radiator, I couldn't get even access to the top mounts of the condenser, but it's in there really well. It's not gone anywhere, but it is bolted to the bottom of the radiator, and I think that'll suffice. Lines and everything else are kind of holding in there. The fan fit in there perfect. So, still waiting on some hoses, and once I get into those, I'm gonna route those, get them all in place, get the belts in too, and keep on cruising. As you can see, we got the radiator in, all the hoses on, just about. We're just waiting for one piece, but that's a pretty straight installation with the Alloyworks radiator. Looking forward to seeing how well it cools. Don't think I need to go over on how to lead a system. You can find that all over YouTube, but I'm really excited to see how this thing performs. And don't forget, you can go follow the link in the description. You can get 5% off their website. They have a ton of radiator options, from square bodies to C10s and Mustangs. So give them a check out. click the link, put in the code Make It Modular, and get your 5% off. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.